Hey gang, just wanted to come to you tonight with just a little bit of the Salty Dog Outdoors news. What's going on in the world of Salty Dog? Let's see. This channel is up to 7,379 subscribers as of just a few minutes ago. At that growth rate, maybe sometime next year, 10,000, unless we get a big growth spurt. So if you've got a favorite video, be sure to go out there and share it. For those of you who think I never go outside, I have 32 outside events on the calendar right now for next year, or for this year, I guess. It's 2023 now already. I'm losing track of time because I'm old and senile. What's been going on here in the shed? Made a bunch more beard pelt dressing. Goofing around here in the shed. My son's getting into the act a little bit here, and he made some lotion bars for the wife. She requested some lotion bars, so we made some of those. Made a bunch of fix and wax this week. Made a bunch of cutting boards this week. So if you guys have been waiting for those at the store, they're at SRO. I dropped them off, so they should be on the website. What else is going on? Everybody seems to like unboxing videos. I'll be honest with you. I told you guys a lot in the past. I don't think an unboxing video tells you anything other than I know how to open a box. Ooh, new Pathfinder headlamp. I'm building up into something. I've fondled these in the past when the prototypes were out, so this is not going to be anything new. You guys have seen a ton of reviews on these. Dave's done a video on it. A couple of the other guys have done videos on it, so there's not really any point for me to do a video on it. It's got a lot of different light modes. It's got Velcro on the back, so you can actually take this thing off and stick it on those Velcro head patches on your hats or on your pack, whatever you want to. Comes with the light, comes with the headlamp. Of course, it comes with that attachment to Velcro it onto stuff. If I can actually get it out of the little net part. Comes with a charging cable. I would have preferred to see that in black. Don't tell Dave I said that. Comes with instructions. And I'll be honest with you. I like this case that it comes in. That's pretty nifty. It's a hard case. I've broken a few headlamps, stuffing them in where they shouldn't be in. Phone's binging at me. Uh-oh. The Pathfinder instructor chat group is going. What's going on today? Hard to tell. Get this put back in here. Put it over to the side. And here's a teaser. If all goes well, and things happen when they're supposed to be, supposed to happen, there's going to be a little video coming out on Friday, probably around noonish or 1. And I don't want to spill the beans because they don't like it when we do that. So let's just say y'all know that I got a favorite knife at the Pathfinder knife shop. Y'all know that. You've heard me talk about it. I'm quickly going to have a new favorite here. This has been a long time in coming. We've talked about it for quite a while. And if all goes well, I'll be able to reveal something to you on Friday. Unless somebody else has spilled the beans, then you can probably figure it out. So, if you've been waiting for me to get on the bandwagon and finally really get behind a knife, this is probably going to be the one. Remember what I told you before. If you want to support the channel, a good way to do it is to use the links in my description box, because I actually get credit for things that you buy off SRO if you use that link. And that way they know I'm not goofing around, even though I am. And that's probably the biggest thing that I'm ever going to push. I'll be honest with you. Other than that, what else did I want to talk to you about? I had a plan when I came out here. It didn't act, it's not coming to fruition at all. Back to the channel news. I told you we had 7,379 subscribers now. Over my 28-day watch time is up, but for some reason my 365-day watch time is down. So it's weird because all of my months have been going up, but for some reason my rolling average is going down. I don't know. I can't do YouTube now. What else is going on? Gathering. If you guys are going to go to the gathering, buy your tickets soon. Don't wait for a sale. It might not happen, and by the time it does happen, the tickets may be gone. Like I told you, I've got 32 outside events scheduled for this year, all the way out to December. Yeah, all the way out to December, and starting at the end of next month. So, sign up for a class. Come on out and see us. Come to an event. Come out and see us. As far as I know, I'm still going to be doing all the things. So, now would be a great time to come out to the school. Gathering is coming in June. That is a big thing, and I can't tell you enough that is my favorite thing that we do at the Pathfinder School, the gathering. So, that's really about all I've got for Salty Dog Outdoors news. At least I think so. I'm sure I'm forgetting something, because I didn't take any notes on what I wanted to talk about. Let's see. Yeah, that's really about it. Y'all have a good evening. Thanks for your views. Thanks for all that other stuff. If you haven't subscribed already, do it. Click the notification bell. I don't know how notifications go out. You may get them, you may not. I have some of the big folks on YouTube telling me notifications aren't a given. And from what I've read and what I've researched, they're not. So, subscribe if you get a chance. That's really about it. And hopefully, you'll be able to see what's in this box on Friday. See you all in the woods.